Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Black Shark 4, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS launcher on this XIAOMI device. You need to start by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type iOS launcher and download this free app from this developer. Then click on Open. Now you need to select while using the app, tap on Allow, and finally click Home button. From here, click on Remember My Choice, tap on iOS Launcher, and click Got it. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Android. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!